The Holy Bible says that homosexual.
Come again.
The Holy Bible says that homosexual is a sin, and you are homosexual. At this very moment, God is in front of you.
Okay.
What can you say to God?
Okay, thank you so much. Good morning and was Norte Happy Fiesta. Listen carefully, my dear honorable audience and the judges. The question itself, homosexuality is a sin. It is written in the Bible. As a Roman Catholic, I have to clarify. Homosexual is the act. It's not the person. I am a transgender woman and that is my personality. So if I act something disregarding, kumukontra sa Biblia, yun, nagiging kasalanan. Pero kung nagmamahal ka sa tao, anuman ang nasa pagitan ng hita mo, walang pakialam yan. Ang sasabihin ko lang kay God, I'm not perfect, I'm not your creation, I am a sinner, forgive me for everything I've done. And above all, I'd like to end up like this. Hindi man ako manalo o hindi man magka-corona, isa lang ang alam ko. Lord, ano man na nasa pagitan ng hita ko, I love you and I love you.